Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have this great expression. First, we will apply some properties, then calculation to simplify. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise. To increase your skill in mathematics, they complete the video. Now, suppose a equal square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. Okay. We know that square root of a times square root of b equals square root of ab. So we apply this property in this example. So we got equals square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. We know that a minus b times a plus b equals a square minus b square. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times square root of 2 square minus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 all square. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times square root of 4 minus 2 plus square root of 2. Therefore, square root of 4 minus 2 minus square root of 2. Then square root of 2 minus square root of 2 equal square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root times 2 minus square root of 2. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 square minus square root of 2 square. Therefore, square root of 2 times square root of 2 equals square root of 2 square equals 2. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.